Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve question number 26 to 30. Let's start. Question number 26. A company makes two products, product X, product Y. They are given selling price, variable cost, maximum sales in units. Total fixed cost 44,700. 4,000 units of X are sold. X already sold. How many units of Y must be sold to break even? If X sold 4,000, then how many units should be Y sold to break even? So let's check. Break even. Break even sales is equal to fixed cost divided by contribution. Contribution is, what is contribution? Contribution is equal to selling price minus variable cost. Here, Y's contribution 12 minus 8 is equal to, it's 4. 4 is Y's contribution. Then fixed cost. Fixed cost, total fixed cost is 44,700. Out of this, already we are given to X, that is 4,000 into X contribution, it was 6. Then 24,000 is the part of X. So for Y, 24 minus 44, total is 44. 44 minus 24,000. Fixed cost of Y is 20,700. So let's apply to the equation. Fixed cost is 20,700 divided by contribution is 4. Contribution already we calculated, that is 4. What is the amount? 5175. Answer is C. Next question. 27. A company has fixed cost 30,000. It sells 10,000 unit. Single product. Price is 20 per unit. And has a contribution to sales ratio 75%. What is the increased profit? What will be the increase in profit if they are increasing the unit to 15,000? So first we calculate the profit in 10,000, then we calculate the profit in 15,000. That difference is the increase. So 20,000, first the contribution. Contribution to sales ratio 75. Selling price is 20. So contribution is equal to, here, contribution 20 into 75%. That is 15 is the contribution. So 10,000 units profit is 10,000 unit profit. 10,000 multiply contribution, then minus fixed cost. What is the profit? It will be 120,000 in 10,000 unit. Then if we are selling 15,000 unit, so it will be 15,000 multiply contribution 15, then again minus 30,000. So 50 unit profit is 195,000. In 10,000 the profit is 120,000, but in 15,000 unit profit is 195,000. It is increased. So what is the difference? 195 minus 120. Difference is 75,000 is the difference. So our answer is B. The difference between 120, the profit has increased from 120 to 195. So that difference is 75. That is the increase in total profit. Next question. 28. Question given. Variable cost, selling price, total volume sold, fixed cost. In March, actual sales volume was 10% lower than budgeted. This is the budgeted was 2000 was the budgeted unit was 2000. But the actual was 10% lower. 10% lower means the actual will be 2000 minus 10 percentage. It will be 1800 is the actual unit. But the budgeted unit is 2000. Budgeted unit is 2000. So, first we can calculate the budgeted profit, then actual profit. Then the difference will be the lower or increase in the budgeted profit. It's already given lower. So, it will be lower because the unit also decreased to from 2000 to 1800. So, first we calculate the profit of budgeted profit. Budgeted profit here unit into contribution. What is the contribution? Contribution is equal to selling price minus variable cost. So 35 minus 20. Contribution is 15. Contribution is 35 minus 20, 15. So let's calculate. 2000 into 15 minus fixed cost. Fixed cost is given 10,000. 10,000. How much is the amount? The profit is at 2000 unit profit is 20,000. But in the reduced unit 1800 unit we calculate 1800 multiply contribution 15 then minus fixed cost 10,000. What is the profit? 17,000. Here at 2000 unit the profit is 20,000 but the 1800 unit the profit is 17,000. So it is decreased. 20,000 minus 70,000. 20,000 minus 17,000. How much decreased? Decrease is 3,000. So our answer is answer B. 3,000. Next 29. A business changed from using absorption costing to marginal costing. This had no effect on profit for the month. There is no effect in the profit. What happened in this month? Let's check. A production was stopped during the period. No, the first answer is wrong. The second one, unit produced and sold were equal. That means the production and selling is equal. Then there is no profit and no loss. That is the break-even. So there is no profit, no loss. The correct answer is B. Then 30. Why might a business prepare budget? What is the use of budget? First, to improve coordination between departments. Correct answer. To encourage planning and decision making. Correct answer. To monitor and control cost. Yes, it will help to monitor and control the cost. The all are correct. So the correct answer is A. Hope All are clear with this solution. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.